And just like that, Christmas is gone. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE. And can you believe Christmas has come and gone already? Like, this year has gone by so quickly and slowly at the same time. I can't believe we're at the end of 2020 already. It has been a hard and arduous year for a lot of us, and I'm ready for 2021. I don't know about you guys, but I am ready for 2021, and I hope it brings us lots of health and prosperity and lessening of this thing that we shall not name. So today's video is part of the collaboration that I am co-hosting with Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and it is the New Year's Eve bar cart collab 2020. To show you how I have styled my bar cart for the New Year's Eve that is coming up, and also I'm going to show you my drink that I will be serving on New Year's. So if you want to see my bar cart and how I make my signature drink, keep watching. So I love to try new things. So I wanted to do something special for New Year's Eve. So what I decided to do was go on Pinterest and see if I could find a signature drink to use for New Year's. Well, I found one that I thought I would really like. As you guys know, I love lemon drop martinis. And this drink had two of my favorite ingredients, lemons and vodka. So what we're going to be making today is a French cocktail. And we are going to be making a French 75 cocktail. Yes, a French 75 cocktail, and the reason it is called French 75 is because it was first poured in 1915 at a bar in France, and it's because of the 75mm French cannon that was so powerful it gave a huge kick, and that's what this drink is going to do for us. Hey, you gotta have a little fun for New Year's Eve, right? So let's get started. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we are going to be using to make our drink for New Year's Eve. First up, we have our liquor. We're going to use some Grey Goose vodka, and this is one of the Christmas presents I received. I absolutely love Grey Goose, but it is so expensive. We are going to be using some champagne. I am just using a bottle of cooked champagne. We are going to be using some cranberries, some lemon juice, and some simple syrup, and I just make my own using sugar and water. I don't think I'd really need to buy that. So what we're going to do is mix our drink, and we're going to mix it in this shaker. So we are going to do, and our jigger. So we're going to use 1 ounce of simple syrup, and we'll pour that in, of lemon juice. Not quite out an ounce, but we're gonna go with it. We are going to use 2 ounces of champagne. Whoops. A little extra never hurts. A little more. Okay. And we're gonna add in our champagne. And we're going to add in 1 ounce of our Grey Goose. Whoops. And we'll pour that in. And we'll swirl that all together. We'll move this to the side. We're going to be using our cute little champagne glass, And we're just going to pour it in and add a few cranberries to give it that festive flair. And there you go, our French cocktail. Yummy. So now, let me show you the bar cart. Okay, so here is our bar cart for New Year's Eve 2020. What Marilyn asked us to do was to style our bar cart for New Year's Eve, so we had to use a New Year's Eve theme. And instead of buying new things, I am repurposing items that I already had in my home. So the floral is actually something I picked up to use for Christmas, but I did not. So I thought it would be perfect for the bar cart because it is silver and glittery, very festive. I am using my Mardi Gras face mask that I used on my New Year's Eve tablescape last year. I am also using my Happy New Year sign that I also purchased last year. Again, always repurpose items that you have in your home to save yourself some money. I am using this little top hat, and this little top hat I actually purchased for Halloween last year, or the year before actually, and it was for my little butler servant that I did in my Wicked Manor Halloween home tour. If you missed that video, you really need to go check that out. And then I have our signature drinks here, and I'm using some glasses that I picked up from the Goodwill, and I thought they were oh so cute. They remind me of those glasses that I think Crate and Barrel just came out with this year, and I picked these up like 4 years ago. So it just goes to show you things do come back in style. I have added some lemons to the bar cart, and my decorative wine glasses. I absolutely love the mirrored finish on them. And of course we have our liquor, so we have our bottle of Grey Goose here, our platinum, and our vodka. And we have some little bar towels that I keep on here year round, and also my little whiskey glasses that I purchased from my boyfriend last year, or a couple of years ago actually, and just some other accoutrements that you need on your bar cart. So it is just a plain, simple bar cart that I have styled for New Year's Eve. I'm sorry for the sun. It is coming in my bay window, and I'm so sorry. But yeah, I absolutely love how this came together. I want to thank Marilyn for hosting this collaboration and asking me to be her co-host. I greatly appreciate it. She always has great content on her channel. If you are not familiar with Marilyn, I will leave a link for her channel down below, as well as a link of the playlist of the Bar Cart collab. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video and you are looking forward to 2021 as I am, and I hope it brings you a joyous, healthy, happy, and prosperous new year. So guys, I hope to see you in the next one.